So the first thing when filing the returns, it is good to know how to arrange your files. So that you can know where is your files, because if you don't arrange your file very easy, you might get any response from the KRA or any other authority, and then you don't have that original copy or the one which you use it to file. So it is good to arrange your file. Like for me, I've not prepared the payroll for the March, but it is a one employee, and there is no changes since the last month. So what I will be just doing is to do a duplicate of the payroll of the month of February. And so if I go to the folder where I save that client company, which is this one. So if I go to my folder, I've arranged my folder such a way that I have the folder for reconciliation, the other documents, the invoices, and also I have a folder for payroll. So if I click this payroll, I should be able to find my payroll files here. So I have the payroll, which I normally code as a 2020. I give the month. If it is 2024, I just code 2024, and then the last one is the month. The first one is the year, and the last one is the month, which you can use yours. You can start with the month and end with the years. So, but you must make sure that your file has a consistency, so that even if other person access, or if you are not in the office and the other person to love to file that return on your behalf, he can get into the file and get the logics of your arrangement. So don't just leave your file annually. We don't know which was the file for the last month. We don't know for this month. So just need to have consistency. So I will just come here, copy this, and then control. I'll just say control C, control V to copy. I will rename to the month of March. So I will just put 3 and it will go down here. So now I can open this payroll and do some amendment or some changes, maybe some few changes regarding the dates. So if you open that, you will get it. Unfortunately, it is one employee, one director, not an employee, but the director. So in my database, I will teach you this one. So this one, I will rename it to the month of March 2025. So don't mind with our arrangement of our Excel. I've taught you how to compute the pay and all these deduction in our last session. So the next session in Excel, I will show you how to arrange this file and how to link up this sheet with formulas. But today we are not going on that direction. We just need to see how we can file this return. So I will just update that, go to the current month again, update here to the month of March 2025. Let me enable that first. So that is it. This is the basic pay, which is the same as the gross. This is NSSF with the current rates. I taught you last time. We did this one, so nobody will complain about this. We did this one last time. The same case with the housing levy. We did how to calculate the SHA. You can check the rates. They are okay. So which will give us click enter, control Z. So which is the same. So which will give us the taxable pay, which is 547.59. And this is our pay. So also we did this one last time, so I will not have to compute it again. This is the NSF, this is a housing levy, this is SHA. We don't have advances, we don't have all these things. This is the total deduction, this is the net pay. So the net pay is 50. So having this payroll now for that current month, which you guys, I just need to give you an assignment to go back to our videos and check on how to compute this one. So having this for the current month, which we are for all the section. So I said nitawaonyesha vile how to link this one. So our main concern today is the current month, which is the payroll and the filing. So I'll just go to, we can start with the pay. So for pay, this is the total amount we are going to pay for pay, 10,548. All the KRAs filing, they round off to the nearest whole number. Even if it is not enough to round off, they round off to the whole number. So I've used Excel shortcut to generate the P910, which I will show you that later. So what I will do, I will copy this, my P910, this one. I've used the shortcut Excel formulas to link. I will copy this and paste in a new worksheet and save as a CSV file. This is the P910 we use to file Paye. So I will say, let's just open a new workbook. Control N is to open a new workbook, which is that. So I will copy now this data from P910, Control C, and then put it here. So since this is my CSV, I will not save this CSV in this format. It will not go through. So what we only need to do first is to download the P910 from the iTax and try to merge with this file so that we can save as a CSV and then we import. So I will going to log into the iTax and get that file. So kama kuna mali naenda haraka, you raise your hand na unauliza, because mpaka hii tufanye tena itabidi mpaka tungoje mpaka next month. So kama uko na challenge unasema tunaendelea. Let me log into the iTax pin. 0 5 2 3 4 5 2 7 7. So I hope the owner has a change pin password. This is arithmetic. 55 plus 60 plus 10, that is 65. Good. So once you log in, you just need to come to file, returns, and then you will have the types of a pin, which you don't need this one. It will come automatic. The type of tax obligation here, we need the pay. So I will click the income tax pay and then click next. So once you click that, you need to download this file written the recommended, the one which is recommended. So you click here. There is a link here. Click here to download an unified payroll. So I will click that. That you can see my download up here. So this is my download. So I will open that download and then get my P910 here. So I will copy this and paste in my folder for the payroll. Remember, I've told you that if you are a accountant, make sure that your files are arranged in a logical way, that in such a way that even if your boss can access that file, he can know this is the payroll for the last month, this is then for this month, this was for the last year, so that there is a logical, because you don't know. Today you are in that company, tomorrow you might not be there. So and your successor lazima ajue files ilikuwa inaenda aje. So I will copy this, copy that, Control C, paste in my folder for that company. We have several companies, but we have this specific. So I will go to my payroll, and then now I will create, if you go to Paye here, if you click this Paye, you will find I have Paye for, you can see my P910. I have for the last month, this one I have for the January, and I have also for December. So I will paste the one I downloaded and copy. I will paste here, Control V. So this is it. So I will rename. I said you can rename yours kulingana na your logic. So I will say 2303. This is for March. This is for March. And if you are a person who have been using these iTax files or in so many occasions, you know, if you open direct, it will not allow you to validate. So once you copy and save in a different location, what you can do, you click that file, right click, and then go to properties. So if you go to properties, you unlock. So unlock and then click OK. So now you can comfortably open this P910. It will allow you to validate. So I will open that. I will open that. I will open that. Here we are. So if you get this message, please don't cut and paste any value. Then it means your P910 will be able to validate your data. So I will click OK and have it here. So what I can do, I just need to put my pin. So I will copy this pin here, Control C, and then put here, and then to the type of return, original, which month, head office. I put the month of March. 3 month of March ilikuwa inafika that first ama that yet. March. March ilikuwa inafika that first. Yeah, March ilikuwa inafika that first. So that first of March 2025. And then go to this section now. Employees detail. So that is section A is for the basic information. Section B is now where we will import our CSV. So we'll just need to make sure that our CSV is the same as this one. So you can see column A is the pin of employees. So if I go to the one to which I copy, I have not saved, this column A is the pin of employee. So I will delete this one, the payroll number, so that I can have, what I have to do is just to copy. You can delete everything and then copy this one as values. Remember, I copy with formulas. So I will copy as values, Control C, paste here as values, Control Alt V, and then paste as values, not formulas. So I will delete the first column because column A, we have seen it in P910. It is the pay numbers, P numbers for the employers. So I will delete that. So column B, if we confirm, column B, column P is the name, column C is the resident, column D is the type of employees, basic salary, house allowance. I think they are all the same. So what I only need to confirm is the section of NSSF and SHA and also housing levy. That is the only section which I know it might have the problem. And also section M. If you see, mind section M, because there was a column A, there was a payroll number. So I deleted that payroll number, which means in my Excel, there is a change in these two sections. So if you check the column M, it is inactive here, which it should not have any value in your CSV. But column ML has the other allowance, which it should have a 0 or any value if it happens that you have. So I will go back to that Excel, check the L and M. So you can see here, I will have to interchange. So whatever I have it here, I will have to bring it to L because M, it is inactive. So it should remain empty. So I think that I've done that first change. Then let's go to the another section, which I know might have a problem. So your CSV should have all these details from section M all the way to the last one, AI. So let's see. If we go to these columns, which I wanted to check, column X is for SHA. So column X is for SHA. So if we go to our Excel here, column X, let's see column X. Yeah, column X is 1855.28. Is that SHA? Let's check to our payroll. So if you go to the payroll, the current month, yes, SHA is okay. So that column X is okay. And then another column is column Y is for NSSF. So if you go to column Y, is NSSF, which is okay. And then the challenge with this P9, if you close, you'll have to go back. It will close that section you are. Then column Z is the post-retirement medical fund. So which most of the people, they don't contribute to this one, but it is there. You can't contribute. So we don't have it. So that one should, column Z should be 0. So let's see column Z here. Yes, it should be 0. So I think now everything is okay. Others are okay. We have column AF, personal relief. And also, this is column AI is your access pay. Remember, you'll have to upload what you calculated, and this P9 will have to calculate their own pay. Then you compare, it should be the same. So once I've confirmed all these sheets are the same, which I will teach you later how to link this. So I will delete whatever I don't need, like these other detail here. So I will delete that, remain with this detail. And then I will save now as a CSV in my section of the CSV. So I will go to File, Save As, Browse, then check it, the correct folder to see how I've been using the coding or the writings. So payroll, and then pay, CSV. So you also need to have the folder for CSV. And then, so if we change to CSV, let's see how we have been naming the other CSV. So CSV command delimited, you can see. So I'll have to rename it the same way. So I'll have to write pay CSV 2025-003. And then I will save that. Save that. So once you save, make sure to close. Before you import to the P910, you make sure that you close, because it will not allow. So we don't know. So make sure that you closed. So I will close that file. Then go to now P910. Just a minute. So if we can't continue. So yeah, so sorry for that bit disturbance. So we want to import a CSV. Yeah? So we have already saved. So you go to section B and just come here to import a CSV. So I hope it will work. If it will not work, then we'll have to rearrange it again. So I will open, import a Paye 2023, open that. So it is working. If it is not working, you will not